Welcome back for my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 24th of January. Looking at gold, and we've seen in the last few sessions really interesting moves on gold actually. We are still consolidating in a range, and you had that bull failure on Tuesday where the market looked to be breaking higher and then pushing on. But ultimately this market is not yet decisively moving higher. It is forming this uptrend over the past 5 weeks, and the moves in the last 3 sessions have pretty much added into that uptrend. You've got these sort of this run of higher lows where the market initially falls in the session and then rebounds into the close. Still, we're posting some quite small bodied candlesticks, which would again suggest that there is an uncertainty in the market. What concerns me a little bit about this these moves are the fact that the market is edging higher, but MACD lines are falling or edging lower, and the stochastics are edging lower. So that is a little bit of a concern for me because, as I said, the market is testing to the downside every day, but then rallying. Again, we've seen an initial move to the downside and rebounding, but once more, we're not really seeing the market sort of breaking the shackles and pushing on. However, I would add that 38.2% fib seems to be a pretty decent basis where the market is supporting now. That's been happening for the last week or so. 1548 area support. You've actually got an hourly pivot line around 1546. But it just seems, I mean, you look at the hourly indicators, this is the move sideways, and yeah, there's a slight positive bias, but not necessarily in the indicators, which RSI, still oscillating really between 30 and 70 MACD lines, just sort of moving around the neutral line. Yeah, with a slight positive bias, but not decisive yet. And I think unless you get a closing break above that resistance of Tuesday's high, 1568, and then ideally even above the 23.6% fib level, 1572. 23.6% fib of 1545 to 1611. If you see that move above the fib line, then yeah, I think you can get on board with a sort of a gathering momentum of the recovery. But just for now, the shackles are on, and you're not quite convinced by the move. Just edging higher rather than really with any conviction. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.